Just like what they say, live life to the fullest. Hi mga tol, it's me, Alex Katoltol. For now, samahan niyo ako sa aking panibagong paggagala. So let's go! Usapan niyo, eh?
Monte Ryan, si Jubil kayo.
Ano, Mount Kamuning na lang. Bakit mo? Parang ano yun, sleeping spot dyan dyan. Si Easy dyan. Gusto naman ng magdadrive. Ako muna pa din. Ay, nakatulog siya.
Eto, binili ko to kasi literal lang wala na akong phone. So, inisip ko nga, eto pinagdalaw pinag-iiban. Pati, pagkakali ko rin yan. Parang pinagdalaw. Hindi na ko
Carla, ang dami mo sinabi kanina. Naka-timelapse.
Guys, naka-timelapse pala siya. So, babalikan ko yung sinabi ko. Si Jubil kasali ng Manila Marathon. Tapos, saakitin niya yung Mount Arayat within 30 minutes. Ayun siya. Ready ka na, Jubil? Sira ulo. Jubil, ready ka na? Ayun po yung Mount Arayat. Yan. At ito si...
Talagang inulit Ulit na ulit
Ito si Scramble Deck.
Alam ko si Sunny Side.
Ito din si Sally. Pakita din natin na tulog siya. At si...
Mang Tani.
Tani, anong weather natin ngayon?
What's the weather forecast for today?
Tinatanong po ni...
The weather
Jubil.
forecast of today is sunny day.
Very sunny tayo ngayon, Mang Tani. Tinatanong ni Jubil
Grabe,
kung pwede
katabi
ba
mo yung araw. Ganun ka.
Tatanong ni Jubil kung pwede siya umakyat ngayon sa Mount Arayat. Pwede, Jubil, kasi kasama natin yung araw.
At di mawawala sa camping ang uling.
Ano mo? Wala akong itsura.
Ano?
Matay!
Bukas yan te, pero
Siya guys. Ayun na, Jubil, mag-ready ka na ha. Nakapang-hiking na siya guys.
Pinta ka pa hiking.
Bakit ako ngayon?
Joke lang.
Tala ko nakapang-hiking
Ito na
talaga
yung
si
vlog
Bato.
mo.
Ayan na,
Angels.
vlog takeover. Ang tawag kapag babalik? Vlog return.
Ito ngayon. Ay, mapadal ba ang biyahe natin ngayon?
Sa Baguio!
Ang biyahe ni Ala. Dapat ang title ka na.
Bye! Bye, Jubay. Ano masasabi mo?
Oo. Yun lang.
Oo.
Oo.
gawa na nena? Tingi. Gago. Ano? Sige. Yun. Tara na. At magpasok na tayo.
She hums a tune I've never heard.
Before we return to Metro Manila, nag-eat muna kami and cafe sa Lala Garden Cafe, which is in Bulacan.
And dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue.
The vibes is so garden. It feels like there's a forest inside the cafe. And kaso nga lang sobrang haba ng pila but it's so bilis. To be honest, the food here is not that pricey compared to some famous restaurant and it smells super delicious if you are here.
Stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, on some quiet mountain ridge,
Anong
I
pinag-aawayan?
see
Wow! Nasaan si Dad?
afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
For the honest review, the vibes is definitely a 10. For the food and drinks that we ordered, a mango shake which is a 10 din. And as for my friend, the blue lemonade is a 10. But the rest like matcha and white mocha drinks, based on my taste, it will be an 8. This is not a bad drink or not a good drink also. But for the food, I like their biscoff and this mini pizza that I ordered.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at.
And now, let's return back to Manila. I'm gonna miss it.
You carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. I can't speak.